In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as paid in Jobber. Whether you're new to Jobber or just need a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll want to search for Jobber in your preferred web browser. It's important to ensure that you're on the right platform, so make sure to go directly to Jobber's official website. Once you've navigated there, the next step is to log into your account. If you're not already registered, take a moment to sign up. Jobber's intuitive interface makes both logging in and signing up straightforward, so you'll be ready to go in no time. After you've accessed your Jobber account, the next step is to find the specific invoice you want to mark as paid. You might have multiple invoices, so take your time to select the correct one. Jobber's organizational tools make it easy to pinpoint exactly what you need. Once you've located the invoice, take a closer look at its status. The status is displayed in orange text, prominently indicating whether it's unpaid or requires another action. This visual cue is designed to draw your attention for ease of use. Click on the orange status text. By doing this, you'll be directed to a new screen where you can manage the specifics of the invoice. This step is crucial because it's where you'll make the necessary adjustments to reflect the payment status. On the new screen, you'll see an option that allows you to set the invoice as paid. This is the action you need to finalize the change. By clicking Set as Paid, you're officially updating the invoice status in the Jobber system. This step ensures that your records are current, helping maintain accurate financial tracking. If you're using Jobber's integrated payment processing, there's an added convenience. Any invoices paid through this system will automatically be marked as paid, streamlining part of the process for you. This feature can save time and reduce the risk of human error, making it even easier to keep up with financial management tasks. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on marking an invoice as paid in Jobber. By following these steps, you'll efficiently update your invoicing records, saving you time and effort while keeping everything organized. We hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out or explore more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your business with Jobber.